Holy shit.
Wait, you'd help me with
Wait,
a bet that
are
I
those
made about how I
bones?
could accomplish something without you?
Just hop on my
Whoa.
friendship.
At least if I die, I'll die with my best friend.
Me too.
Get on my swan! I hope you learned a lesson from all this.
We learned that
two heads are
working
better
together
than one
is better
head.
than not working together.
Whatever. It looks like that's not the answer she wanted.
I learned that you are a very, intelligent princess?
You're darn right I am.
Yeah.